You're listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.
If you hold Samsung Electronics or SK Hynix shares, this week hit you directly. Samsung posted record profit, while SK Hynix stock nearly halved in a month. Margin call selling just hit a 3-week high, and Korea's financial regulator is pushing loan rates higher, even as global bond yields spike. It's Friday, July 31st. Let's look at what this means for retail investors in Korea. Korean retail investors are caught between two forces this week: a genuine profit surge at Samsung and a sharp sell-off in SK Hynix tied to a Chinese competitor's stock listing and forced liquidations. At the same time, tighter household loan rules are pushing borrowing costs higher just as global rates climb. Here's what the numbers show. Samsung Electronics posted 89.5 trillion won in quarterly operating profit, the largest of any global tech company, on strong HBM4 chip demand. SK Hynix stock fell over 50% in the past month and cannot legally detail shareholder return plans until August 4th due to US ADR disclosure rules. Margin call selling hit 61.1 billion won on July 29th, the largest in 3 weeks, after back-to-back circuit breakers halted trading. Outstanding margin loan balances still stand near 33 trillion won. Meanwhile, KB raised household loan rates by up to 0.5 percentage points as regulators tighten lending caps even as U.S. 30-year Treasury yields hit a 19-year high. So what does this mean for retail investors holding Korean stocks or loans right now? Earlier, we said margin call selling hit a 3-week high. Here's what that actually means for you. Forced liquidations can amplify short-term swings, regardless of a stock's underlying fundamentals, which is exactly what's happening with SK Hynix, despite Samsung's strong results in the same sector. Watch SK Hynix's August 4th disclosure date, since that's when shareholder return details finally become legally possible. That's today's AI Prism, Retail Investors. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI Prism is a Won IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.